Unlock the groundbreaking capabilities of Sora 2, no matter where you are on Earth. Are you excited about Sora 2, but worried about geographical restrictions? This tutorial will guide you through the most effective methods to access Sora 2 from anywhere in the world, ensuring you don't miss out on its revolutionary features. The primary hurdle for global access is often regional licensing or content availability. The most robust solution for circumventing these barriers is by utilizing a virtual private network, or VPN. A VPN masks your real IP address and makes it appear as though you are browsing from a different country to begin. You'll need to choose a reputable VPN service. Look for providers with a wide server network, strong encryption, and a proven track record of reliability. Once you've subscribed to a VPN service, download and install their application onto your device, whether it's your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Open the VPN app, and you'll typically see a list or map of available server locations for accessing Sora 2. Select a server located in a country where access is officially available. For example, if Sora 2 is accessible in the United States, you would choose a server in the US. After connecting to your chosen server, your internet traffic will be routed through that server's IP address. Now, navigate to the official Sora 2 platform or any related access point, as you normally would, because your connection now appears to originate from the approved region. The regional restrictions should be bypassed, allowing you to sign up, log in, and use Sora 2's features. Remember to always use VPN services responsibly and be aware of the terms of service for Sora 2 itself. With these steps, you can confidently explore the world of Sora 2 and harness its power, bridging geographical gaps and bringing its innovations to every corner of the globe. Enjoy.